Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new video. So in today's video, I want to go through what I believe are the top nude lip combos for women of color, for melanin skin, for my brown girls. Okay, like what should be our go-to nude lippies? That is exactly what I want to go through in today's video. So if you guys are interested in seeing what my top nude lip combos are for women and men of color, then go ahead and keep on watching. Before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys turn on your bell notifications because I have some heat coming for y'all. Okay, some fire, some fuego. So make sure the bell notifications are on. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So quickly to address today's look, I have my hair in these distressed locks, which I got done about 2 weeks ago. I have on these little earrings that I got from Forever 21, but I will link some dupes that I found on ASOS down below. I have on this little white top from ASOS, and yeah, I just wanted to keep it simple. But yeah, so that's today's look real quick, and now I want to go straight into the lip combos. Right now I just have some Laneige lip balm on my lips, which I'm about to wipe off, so we could go ahead and get into it. My lips are nice, moisturized, and hydrated. Okay, baby. So the first lip combo that I would like to share with you guys is a lip combo I have not been able to put down. Like when I tell y'all, every time I do my makeup, I just run to this lippy. Like it's just so easy, looks so good, and every time I wear it, your girl gets compliments. Okay, so it is the MAC Cork Lip Liner mixed with the Kaja Gloss Shot and Honey Drizzle. Baby, this combo right here, I don't know who told me to discover this because I have not been able to put it down. Like my gloss shot is almost shot, like literally halfway through this lip gloss. But it's okay because I'm gonna just go get another one. But I'm gonna go ahead and first line my lips using the cork. And if you are a woman of color, man of color, a brown girl, a brown boy, you need to make sure that you have cork in your makeup kit because this lip liner is very... Boom. Lips are lined. You see, cork does a little bit, doesn't do too much. I love cork. Like if you don't have cork, you need cork, period. And then I go in with the Kaja Gloss Shot. Do y'all see this? Like the pigment, ooh, not me spitting. The pigment, the shine, everything about this. Can y'all see why I have not been able to put it down? Can y'all see now? It's baby. This lip gloss right here is the one and not the two. And I like to just go in and put extra on the middle of my lips. Rub it all up. And boom. This is our first nude lip combo that I think would look beautiful on all women and men of color. Like everything about this, like everything about this is bae. So if you don't have cork, you need cork. If you don't have honey drizzle, you need honey drizzle, period. All of the items I'm going to use in today's video will be linked down below for your ease of reference and your ease of shopping as well. They are affiliate links, so when you guys shop through those links, I get a little coin. I just wanted to throw that in there real quick. But this is the first lip combo. The next lip combo isn't really a combo because it's only one product, because literally it doesn't need any support, it doesn't need any help, it doesn't need any transition. Like it on its own is a vibe. Okay, this is the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Gloss Bomb, and baby, if you know, then you mother freaking know. Okay, this gloss bomb is probably my second favorite, with the initial Fenty Glow being my first favorite. But this, a brown girl's dream. Okay, like it looks so good. Hold on, let me go ahead and apply it. Like literally a vibe. Like I've never been a fan of like darker tinted or darker shaded lip glosses, but this right here changed my whole perspective on that. Like every brown skin girl, every brown skin boy needs at least one brown lip gloss in their collection. And that's on period. And if it's not the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate, then what is it? Because girls need answers. Like, this is the one and not the two once again. So yes, I love Hot Chocolate by Fenty Beauty. If you have it, comment down below and let me know if you have it. If you don't, guess what I'm gonna say? You need it. And I love this product too because you can also like layer it on like liquid lipsticks or regular lipsticks that you have. It looks so freaking good. Like, it gives nude, but it's still brown, and it has like these little speckles in it. Like, baby, y'all should already know that we shouldn't be able to discuss nude lip combos without throwing in NYX Cosmetics makes some amazing lippies that are brown girl and brown boy friendly. So my next lip combo is going to be the NYX. It's actually an eye pencil, but I use it as a lip liner. Shh, don't tell nobody. But that's a little hack too. Like, your lip liner doesn't really have to be a lip liner. Your lip liner could be concealer. Your lip liner could be a liquid lipstick. Nobody have to know, okay? It just has to make sure that it lines and it does a nice little transition between your skin and your lippy, okay? So this is a NYX eye pencil in the shade light brown. And I'm going to pair it with the NYX Cosmetics Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. This combo right here, like... secures baby daddies, okay? So let me go ahead and put this on. This light brown eye pencil, we'll just call it a lip liner. It's lighter than cork, but it still, you know, does a little something. It still does a little something. Boom. So I line my lips. You guys could probably see it's line, but it's not too much of a line. And then I go in with my creme brulee. This is like a nice pink gloss. Like, so freaking good. I'm so happy for all of y'all who put me onto butter gloss because I was sleeping. And now I'm woken up. All the way woken up. Like, do y'all see this material? This is a nice pink gloss. Like, creme brulee looks so freaking good. Like, everybody that I've seen it on, every skin tone, it looks good. So this lip combo right here, courtesy of NYX Cosmetics, not sponsored, but it could be. So NYX, if you're watching this, then holla at your girl. But yes, this lip combo is so freaking cute. As I mentioned, it could secure baby daddies, okay? Like, once you pull up and this lippy is present, it could secure anything. Secure bags, baby daddies, whatever you're looking for, secure it with this lip combo, period. So I used, I don't want to say different foundation, but I spun the block on the previous foundation. I feel like it's a little dark, especially like, it's dark. I ain't even gonna lie, but I just had to address that because I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder like, girl, you look real tanned, and I do, but I'm not tan yet. Give me like 2 days though. Another product that I was sleeping on were these Morphe Lip Glosses. They are so friggin' affordable and they work so friggin' well. So this is the Morphe Lip Gloss in the shade Freebird. You guys know how I feel about her, okay? She does some things. And I'm gonna go ahead and pair her with the MAC Cork Lip Liner because cork is bae, period. Boom. And then watch this. Watch this, because if you never saw magic before, you about to see magic now, period. I just want that to sink in real quick because that one swipe, look, one and a half swipe, like, this lip gloss is so freaking beautiful. Every time I wear this lip combo, I get bare compliments. Like, what you have on your lip? A lip combo, lip details. This is it. Cork Lip Liner and Freebird. That girl, chef's kiss. Period. Period pool, periodiana. Period. This lip combo is so friggin' like, who's telling me anything once I pair these two together? Because it ain't nobody. But yeah, moral of this lip combo is do not sleep on the Morphe Lip Glosses. I have a few of them, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all my little collection in case you guys want suggestions. I have Mercury, I have Boho, I have Freebird, and I have one more. That's in probably one of my purses. But these are my top 3. Like, they're all, you may be looking at them like they all look the same, sis. No. This one is pinkier. This one is like a darker brown. And then this one is like a lighter pink. So, yeah. These are my favorite Morphe Lip Glosses. Don't sleep on them. Pick them up. They're like $10 at Ulta. So, my next lip combo isn't really a combo. Once again, it is just a product. And this product is like, if you want a clear lippy, if you're, you know, going for a basic look, or if you just don't like pigmentation in your glosses and stuff, this is bae. I feel like lip oils have been a popular trend recently. I know that Ulta has a lip oil that everybody raves about. I just recently picked up the Dior lip oil that everybody's been raving about. So this NYX lip oil has been my bae for the past couple of years. It's super affordable and it looks so good. It's just like a nice clear look. You can do it with the lip liner too, but most of the time when I wear this, I just wear it on its own because it just does it for me, and it smells so good. It tastes good too, but don't tell nobody that. Like, summertime lashes and gloss, lashes and NYX lip oil. Okay, baby, nice cute clear gloss that does enough, doesn't do too much, gets the job done. You could go ahead and top this on any of your liquid lipsticks just to give it a nice shine. That's what I do. So whenever I have on like a liquid lippy and I'm like, I just want to give it shine but no color, no pigmentation, my NYX lip oil. And this is a NYX lip oil. I think they have different shades, but this is just like 001, the clear version. This right here, perfect clear gloss if you're looking for one. And last but not least, you guys should already know I had to hit y'all with a liquid lippy. This has been my go-to for the past couple of weeks. And this was my lip combo, my go-to lip combo before. But once I brought it back, when I did a recent video, I'm like, she's here to stay, okay? It's the MAC Chestnut Lip Liner mixed with the Lime Crime Bleach liquid lipstick. These liquid lipsticks right here don't walk, run, okay? And they're sold at Forever 21. So this lip combo right here is my lip combo for a night out, for when I'm trying to do, you know, too much and not care that I'm doing too much. It's my girl. Boom, that's chestnut. Once again, if you don't have chestnut and you're a brown girl, you need to get chestnut. I do want to do a video or show you guys like lip liners that I found that are similar to chestnut but not as expensive. So if you guys want to see that, then definitely comment down below and let me know that you guys want to see it so I could, you know, escalate the process and getting that to y'all. But I go in with bleach now. And it's important when you do liquid lippies, whether you're using this one or any other liquid lipstick, to let it dry down before you blend it together, because I feel like the color payoff is just way better. So what I do is I just apply it to my bottom lip, let it sit for a while, let it sit for a few, let it marinate in there, do whatever it has to do. And then after a few seconds, or maybe after like a minute, I just go ahead and blend it in. And when you blend, you want to make sure you blend the lip liner too. You don't just want to blend in between. No, everything needs to be blended together. I should not see no line of demarcation, or else I'm calling the cops, okay? And then after I see how it looks, I go in and I add more because I like it to be like pinkier. So I just messed that up by talking, but I let it dry at the bottom once again. And then I go in and blend. Get all up in there, okay? And this is how it ends up looking. This lip combo right here has been my go-to. It looks so good, it feels so good. I love the Lime Crime liquid lippies because it doesn't feel like you have anything on your lips. It doesn't like dry down or make your lips ashy or none of that. So I absolutely love my Lime Crime liquid lippies. If you guys don't know, I ride for my Lime Crime liquid lipsticks because they're so freaking good. Heavily slept on as well. But these are my go-to nude lip combos that I feel like looks good on brown skin. That's what we needed to do, period. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, comment down below and let me know which one of these lip combos are your favorite. Let me know what your go-to nude lip combo is, and if you guys plan on picking any of the products mentioned in today's video up. As I mentioned earlier, all of the items included included in today's video will be linked down below. So go ahead and check that description box, click them links and run it up, period. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys are new here, if you guys been watching but y'all just didn't subscribe yet, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. Turn on your bell notifications, give this video a big thumbs up, and until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Ooh, it's my nail with no polish on it, but
See.